What if controlling a DC motor was this simple? Today, we'll control a DC motor using just an Arduino, an L9110S driver, and a potentiometer. The L9110S receives PWM signals from the Arduino to smoothly adjust the motor speed. Turn the knob slightly, and the motor starts moving gently. Increase the PWM value, and watch the speed increase smoothly. No complicated programming, just real-time speed control. This simple setup is perfect for DIY robots, Lego machines, and automation projects. Simple, smooth, and fun to build. Follow for more Arduino and Lego projects.